Hey there, class. Welcome to another week of chemistry. Today we're going to be outside, and I got a helper here, Mr. Ollie. And unfortunately, this is actually our third attempt to try to make this work. The only technical difficulty we're having is having a good stopper. But that's okay. We're going to go ahead and talk about the experiment here, and hopefully it works this time. And regardless, the principle is true and has been repeated numerous times. But again, if you don't have the right equipment specifications, then this isn't going to work. But anyway, I digress. What we're going to do today is we're going to borrow some of our handy household items, and we're going to try to make a rocket kind of take off here. And so what we're going to do is we're going to take vinegar, which as you remember is known as acetic acid, and baking soda, which is a base, and we're going to combine them together. And if you remember, a few months ago we did a similar reaction to make kind of a lava experiment where we had a fizz come out of our bottle, and you can go back and look at that reaction. But this time we're going to put a stopper on it, a cork if you will, and if we do that, we should have amount of gas build up and have liftoff. And so the way this works is this is going to be a neutralization reaction, and that happens when an acid and a base come together. CO2 is produced. So when we combine these together and we put that into a container with a sealed vessel, pressure is going to build up and hopefully it will have takeoff. And so that's what we're going to do today. Is we're going to again borrow from acid and bases here to produce CO2, and then also work with some pressure and volume. So hopefully this time our stopper works well enough, and we have got a successful experiment. Sorry, Ollie's barking at a dog three blocks away. So, but let's go ahead and get to it. Okay, here, so we've got a bottle here filled with it's distilled vinegar, and what we have in here is a paper towel filled with baking soda. And so what we're going to do is we're going to drop the baking soda in the bottle, and we're going to put this lid on, and hopefully this lid works well enough to get a reaction, because all the other lids have failed and has just leaked out when we'd inverted the bottle. So we'll try this again here. Let's go ahead and give it a shake here. Well, we've got our fizz going. Let's see if we can. Looks like, well, we got enough pressure here. It's just not going to launch. Well, class, this was our third attempt here at making this. We got kind of see some movement there. It's thinking about launching, but Again, this is all about having a good cork or stopper there. And if we don't have that, then we don't get that force that we need to take off. So again, make sure you've got a good cork or stopper there that allows that keeps the liquid inside, and this way you'll have a successful experiment.